Hello, lovely students of literature. Welcome back to another exciting literature class. Today's class, we're going to be looking at the themes and style in August Wilson's Fences. The themes and style in August Wilson's Fences. Our behavioral objectives. During the course of this lesson, we're going to be identifying the themes in the play and analyzing the style used by August Wilson in the play. So now, what is the message of the play? What is that message that August Wilson is trying to send to the general public using this lovely play? Let us look at the themes. The first theme will be the theme of racism. Troy's failure to achieve success in his basketball career was due to racism. He was unable to achieve success in his career due to racism. In his workplace too, the black workers were not allowed to drive the garbage truck. They were only allowed to leave the garbage cans, but he fought for that until he became a truck driver. Troy also fears that his son Corey will be racially discriminated if he pursues his football career. And that's the fear. That's what racism can do to a family. Restrict them from pushing to achieve their dreams. Another theme we're going to be seeing in this lovely book is parental role in family unity. Parental role in family unity. The conflict between Troy and his son Corey is caused by Troy's inability to communicate his worries to his son clearly. He is worried that Corey will be racially discriminated when he pursues his football career. Why not communicate with your child? Why not tell your son, this is what I think, this is how I feel the society is. Communicate with your child, but that lack of communication breached the gap between father and son. Troy's affairs too with Alberta also strained the relationship in the home. He had an affair with a woman. Rose became detached, and then Corey did not like his father anymore because the father did not treat the mother with respect. Troy's actions eventually caused the disunity in the family, his cheating, and then his constant acceptance of the fact that Corey could actually be a better person. Another thing we're going to be seeing is the theme of betrayal. The theme of betrayal. Troy betrayed everyone in the play. He betrayed his son by preventing him from pursuing his football career and also sending him out of the house. He also betrayed his wife Rose by having an affair with Alberta and even having a child with her. So we're also going to be looking at the theme of shattered dreams. The theme of shattered dreams. Troy's dream of becoming a pro basketball player is shattered due to racial discrimination. So when he was younger and he wanted to pursue his basketball dream, it was shattered because he was a black man. This bitter experience caused him to prevent his son Corey from achieving his football career, thus crushing his son's dream as well. Rose builds a fence to enhance the safety and harmony of her family, but is shattered when she discovers that Troy has cheated on her and even fathered a child with the woman. Very uncaring. Very, very uncaring, very disheartening. So, we've analyzed the themes in this lovely play. We have the theme of racism, the theme of parental role in family unity, betrayal, shattered dreams, betrayal, and shattered dreams. Now, let us look at the style. How did August Wilson write this play? How did August Wilson write this lovely play? Now, we're going to be looking at the language. Language is a crucial component of the play, revealing the characters, conflicts, and meaning of the story. In Fences, Troy is a strong character who uses his language to assert his dominance, especially over his son Corey. We also see that Troy treats Corey with a harsh exterior, which masks his deep hopes for a better future for his son. Then we'll also look at the literary devices. What are the literary devices that were employed by August Wilson in the play Fences? The first literary device we're going to be looking at is symbolism. The trains represent the coming or arrival of a major change in the character's life. In Fences, Troy identifies with the blues song about riding the train. By singing this particular song, Troy acknowledges that his actions caused the upheaval in the life of his loved ones. even the fences they were building. The characters' lives change around the fence building project, which serves as both a literal and a figurative device, representing the relationships that bond and break in the arena of the backyard. We're also seeing the use of irony. Troy dissociated himself from his own family because his father was very abusive and conflicted. It was, however, ironical that the same evil that was also perpetrated by Troy, this same evil, Troy also did the same thing because he alienated his son and he also betrayed his wife by cheating on the wife, thereby causing disunity in his own family. Now, we have seen the use of symbolism and we've seen the use of irony in the play. Now, evaluation. Let's look at our evaluation. Examine the theme of mortality and life after death in the play. What is the conflict in the play? What is the conflict in the play? So lovely students, we've come to the end of our lovely class on the themes and style of August Wilson's Fences. In our next class, we're going to be looking at the character analysis. Until then, it's bye for now.